Imagine sitting in a meeting and despite trying very hard, you are unable to focus. How will you feel? Irritating, right? Many people around us fail at doing normal things and we easily label them lazy. Well, is it really about this or are they suffering from ADHD? Hello and welcome to Psychology Bus. Today we will tell you a quick insight about ADHD. First, ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. Some people face a lack of attention and focus in everyday tasks. No matter how hard they want, they just cannot focus. Plus, their brains are like powerful machines, but without any control. Now imagine a brain of a genius without any directions. It will crash, right? That's why ADHD people show extreme behaviors. According to the scientific studies, the brain of an ADHD person is different from the normal individuals in size and performance. The prefrontal cortex of the brain is smaller than the normal brain. This part of the brain is responsible for controlling brain functions. The more the ADHD brain tries to focus on something, the less activity and attention their brain shows. One more thing, the ADHD brain have a less amount of dopamine, which is responsible for pleasure, reward, movement, and emotions. Furthermore, even if they try hard, they cannot do the work properly. Plus, slight distraction can drift their attention away from something very important. In some people, this problem arises in early childhood. For some, it may occur in the teenage, while some people may face it in the old age. It is a disease that can be treated. With little help, you can easily identify the person with ADHD and manage their problems. Now, there are three types of ADHD. The first is inattentive. An inattentive type of ADHD has certain symptoms. They will not listen to you or make little mistakes in easy tasks, as we call it careless mistakes, and they are easily distracted. The second type is hyperactive or impulsive. They are overly active, very impulsive, and often get up from their seats and squirm around. Now, the third type is a combination of both. The causes of ADHD are still unknown, however, you can say that environmental and genetic factors can be responsible. Plus, kids mostly develop ADHD between the ages of 6 and 12. Treatment of ADHD differs from one person to another. In case of children, the role of the teacher and parents is very important. They both will take part in behavioral therapy. Plus, task management therapy can be very useful, where they learn how to do tasks one at a time and then you reward them with something that keeps them motivated. Now, do not confuse ADHD medicines with the other addictive drugs because they are not the same. ADHD medicines cause the slow release of dopamine, which will help the brain to function normally, while other addictive drugs cause the sudden surge of dopamine that causes euphoria and causes addiction. Now that you know everything you need to know about ADHD, if you know someone suffering from it, then you must help them. With therapy and medications, they can achieve a normal, happy life. If you enjoyed this video, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye now.